So previous classes, I think exercise 3.1 is homework. Question number 1 and 2 is a homework, and I hope you completed. You do all the questions 1 and 2. So now start question number 3, exercise 3.1, question number 3. Exercise 3.1, question number 3. 3 is a wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Suppose karo this is a wheel and it moves 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Time given 1 second. So first find what is the total number of revolution in 1 second, and it is here given 360 revolution in 1 minute. Since number of revolution in 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, is equal to 360. Number of revolution in 1 minute, 1 minute means 60 seconds, is equal to 360. Therefore number of revolution in 1 second, therefore number of revolution in 1 second is equal to what? 360 by 60. In 1 second 360 by 60. So now divide. So this is 6. So number of revolution is 6. So wheel moves 6 revolutions in 1 second, and we know that in 1 revolution wheel makes angle 360 degree, that is 2 pi. 360 degree means 2 pi. होल एंगल क्या हो जाएगा 360. 1 कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन में एंगल कितना बनाएंगे 360 डिग्री, दैट इज 2 पाई रेडियन. सो सिंस द एंगल मेड बाय व्हील in 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi. The angle made by wheel in 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radian, that is 360 डिग्री. ये समझ में आ रहा है. 1 रेवोल्यूशन पूरा एक राउंड मूव कर गया, कितना बनेगा एंगल 360 डिग्री, दैट इज 2 पाई. देयरफॉर the angle made by wheel in 6 revolutions is equal to 2 pi into 6, that is 12 pi radian. So angle made by wheel in 1 second is equal to 12 pi radian. So thought is complete. And question number 4, find the degree measure of the angle subtended by at the center of a circle of radius given and length of arc given. That is, in question number 4, radius given, what is radius 100 centimeter, and length of arc L also given 22 centimeter. Find the degree measure, that is find theta. So R and L given, find theta. So use formula and find theta. So since theta is equal to L by R, this is a formula, theta is equal to L by R, and what is L? L is 22 and R 100. So 22 by 100, and cut from 2, that is 11, and this one is 50. So 11 by 50 radian, not degree, because r और n ये जो फॉर्मूला है इसमें थीटा की वैल्यू किसके फॉर्म में निकलता है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेडियन. सो 11 by 50 रेडियन. नाउ इट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डिग्री. सो सिंस pi radian is equal to 180 degree, so 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. So 1 degree is equal to, that is 1 radian, sorry, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. So convert it into degree form. So this equal to 11 by 50 into 180 by pi. Now convert in degree. So multiply by 180 by pi and put the value of pi that is 22 by 7. Put value 22 by 7. The 0 cut. So 11 into 18 by 5 and pi 22 by 7. So 7 take in numerator. Then multiply it. अब सब multiply कर दो. So multiply. So this 11 7 जा 77 and 77 into 18. 77 into 18. कट रहे पहले 2 से. 2 11 and 2 9. ये कट गया. मल्टीप्लाई कर दें अब. सो 63 9 7 जा 63 into 11. So 63, that is 693 by 55. This is degree. 693 by 55 degree. Now divide 693 by 55. यह 55 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए 693. 1 that is 55. This one is 4 1 3. Now divide 2 times. So 5, that is 110. 2 times. Subtract 3 3. So 12 degree. And this is 33. Remainder is 33 degree. Convert it into minute. Convert it into minute form. So multiply by 60. So this equal to 33 into 60 minute. Multiply it. 0 1980. Now again divide by 55. So 55 3 ja. So 5 3 ja 15. 5 3 ja 15. Carry 1 and 15 1 16. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. 9 minus 6 3 and 0. Again divide. So 5 6 ja 6. 6 5 ja 33 and 33. Cancelled. So 12 degree, this is 36 minute. This equal to 12 degree 36 minute. So this is the angle. You check your answer. Question number 4th, 3.1. Question number 4th. Check your answer. तो क्लास में इतना कैलकुलेशन करते नहीं, आप चेक कर लो. 3.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th. 12 degree 36 minutes. Okay. So this 4th completed. Now question number 5. Diameter given 40 centimeter. Question number 5. Diameter given 40 centimeter. So find radius 20 and length of chord given. Now question number 5. So question number 5 is, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter. So what is radius? Radius is equal to 40 by 2 centimeter. That is 20 centimeter. the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Length of chord, this is a circle and this one is the chord. AB is a chord and chord AB length given 20 centimeter and radius also 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Length of minor arc, that is ये length of AB निकालना है, लेंथ ऑफ माइनर का आर्क, यह लेंथ फाइंड करना है। यह सपोज कर लिया L, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क फाइंड करनी है। तो L फाइंड करने के लिए हमें एंगल थीटा चाहिए ना, रेडियस गिवन सिंस थीटा इज इक्वल टू L बाई आर। इसमें यदि आप थीटा का दी वैल्यू फाइंड कर लोगे तो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क फाइंड कर लेंगे। सो थीटा दैट इज सेंट्रल एंगल, that is angle made by at the center. So this, suppose this is a center, to join the center, that is OA and OB, so this is a theta, angle made by arc, and since radius given 20, so OA 20, OB also 20, because radius given 20, so AOB is an equilateral triangle because AB also given 20. So since OA is equal to OB is equal to AB, all are 20, therefore triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Triangle equilateral. When triangle is equilateral, then each angle will be 60 degree. So this angle 60 degree. ये सपोज कर लिए थीटा, सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री, दैट इज पाई बाई 3 रेडियन। अब आप लेंथ निकाल लोगे। अब सिंस थीटा इज इक्वल टू L बाई आर, थीटा फाइंड कर चुके हैं, आर गिवन है, वैल्यू पुट करके फाइंड कर लोगे इसमें। तो क्वेश्चन 5 बन जाएगा। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एग्जाम्पल हम करा चुके हैं, 6 एग्जाम्पल हो चुका है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7th is find the angle in the radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. At the tip describe an arc of length. Find क्या करना है, find the angle and pendulum whose length given 75 centimeter. So suppose this is a pendulum whose length is given 75 centimeter. तो लेंथ ऑफ पेंडुलम 75 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज द रेडियस। वही पेंडुलम मूव कर रहा है ना, या आप ऐसे ऐसे पेंडुलम मूव करेंगे। या सपोज किया यह पेंडुलम है और यह ऐसा मूव करेगा, ऐसा मूव करेगा। ये पॉइंट सपोज करिए वो, दिस इज ए। So length of pendulum that is OA and length of pendulum given 75 सेंटीमीटर। तो ये OA जो लेंथ ऑफ पेंडुलम है 75 सेंटीमीटर, दिस 75 सेंटीमीटर इज द रेडियस। ये तो रेडियस होगा आर्क का, इसको यदि मूव करा दो बिकम फॉर्म से सर्कल, कुछ रेडियस इज OA and OA given 75 सेंटीमीटर। देयरफॉर हियर रेडियस R is equal to given 75 centimeter. And the tip describe an arc of length. First, length of arc given, length of arc L given 10 centimeter. So R is given, length given, then find theta. कर लेंगे find theta, पहले बता चुके हैं, थीटा निकाल लोगे। ओके, तो आपका यह 3.1 कंप्लीट हो रहा है। Now next topic, trigonometric function. So next slide, trigonometric function. trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. So first start from sine of trigonometric function. First start sine of trigonometric function. Sine of trigonometric function. Sine of trigonometric function. So suppose this is a unit circle, that is radius is 1, and suppose whose center is O is a center, ax, x dash, y and y dash, unit circle, and let P any point on this circle which coordinate suppose AB, and since length radius is 1, so unit circle, if to join OP, then OP is equal to 1 because radius is 1. Draw unit circle, that is radius is 1, so OP is equal to also 1. If we draw perpendicular from P to x axis and produce, suppose we intersect to the circle at point Q, and then to join OQ also, so OQ also 1, and we suppose this angle PO, here point, any one point, suppose this point is A, so OA is equal to also 1, OA also radius, and radius is equal to 1, so coordinate of A is 1 0 because point A lie on the x axis. Since suppose angle POA, this angle BX, angle POA suppose x, this angle in एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, क्योंकि इनिशियल लाइन एक्स एक्सिस हो गया, इनिशियल लाइन, आप इनिशियल लाइन से चल रहे हो ओपी की ओर, तो यह एंगल हो गया एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, सो पॉजिटिव. एंड सिंस ट्रायंगल, सिंस ओपी इज इक्वल टू ओक्यू एंड दिस एंगल 90 डिग्री, दिस ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री. सपोज दिस इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट, एनी पॉइंट सपोज कर लो, यह पॉइंट सपोज कर लिए बी. So since triangle OPB is congruent triangle OQB by RHS, because OP is equal to OQ, and OB common, and angle 90 degree. So by RHS both are congruent. When congruent, then these two angles are equal. So therefore by CPCT angle POB is equal to angle QOB, और POB का एंगल क्या सपोज कर लिए x, so QOB is also x, but this angle QOB in clockwise direction from initial to line, ये एंगल हो गया clockwise direction, so that angle is negative because clockwise direction angle negative, anti-clockwise positive and clockwise negative. So both are equal to x, but since angle QOB in anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, so angle QOB is equal to minus x, because clockwise direction. This angle QOB is a clockwise direction, and in clockwise direction angle is negative. So this angle be minus x. Now since PQ is draw perpendicular, so now in triangle POB, what is the value of OB? In triangle POB, sin x, the value of sin x. Sin x means perpendicular by hypotenuse, and what is perpendicular? That is PB, PB by H, H that is OP, or sin x is equal to PB. What is the length of PB? PB is equal to y coordinate of point P, and what is y coordinate? B. So B by and OP is equal to 1. So the value of sin x is equal to 1. Sorry, B by 1, that is B. Now in triangle BOQ, in triangle BOQ, angle minus x, so sin minus x is equal to P by H, same formula P by H, and what is P? P is BQ and H is OQ, and BQ is equal to what? Here what is the coordinate of Q? X coordinate same, that is A, and what is the y coordinate? Minus B. The coordinate of y coordinate of Q minus B. So what is the BQ? BQ is equal to numerical value, length क्या हो जाएगा numerical value? Numerical value is, here length is minus B, BQ, length is minus B. So what is the value of here sin x equal to what? BQ by OQ. So numerical value, जो कि coordinate of Q, y coordinate क्या है? Minus B. So BQ is equal to minus B. BQ is equal to minus B. The length of BQ never negative, but यहाँ पे value BQ का x coordinate A, that is OB is equal to A, and BQ is equal to minus B. So put here minus B by OQ, OQ that is 1. So sin minus x is equal to minus B, and put value of B. What is B? B is equal to sin x. So this is equal to minus sin x. B की वैल्यू आज पुट कर दिया sin x. So sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. This is a formula. Similarly, in same triangle, in triangle POB, what is cos x? Base upon hypotenuse, base that is OB, and coordinate of OB is A and hypotenuse 1, that is equal to A. And in triangle BOQ, in triangle BOQ, cos minus x equal to base upon hypotenuse, base that is OB and hypotenuse that is OQ, and OB is equal to A by 1. So both are equal. So A by 1 is equal to A. So cos x is equal to A and cos minus x is equal to also A. So both are equal. Therefore cos x is equal to, therefore cos minus x is equal to cos x. cos में सेम आ गया, जो cos माइनस एक्स की वैल्यू है वही cos x की वैल्यू है. सिमिलरली cos का अपोजिट क्या होता है? कन्वर्स सेक. तो सेक माइनस एक्स इज ऑल्सो सेक एक्स, बट ऑल टर्म हो जाएंगे माइनस. दैट इज tan माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस tan एक्स. cot माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस cot एक्स. cosec माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस cos एक्स. ये सब फॉर्मूला आप याद कर लोगे. देन नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टार्टेड ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन. ओके.